Hey everyone, my name is Manshu. How are you all? Today we are going to talk about SwarPlug VST's latest instrument pack ML Pack 6. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Let's start the video. ML Pack 6 is a new sound pack of Shehnai and Nadswaram. As you know, both of the instruments are quite popular in India. These wind instruments come with legato and expression functions, so they sound quite realistic. You get two types of Shehnai and one type of Nadswaram in this pack. Let's have a look of these instruments. First type of Shehnai sound. Second type of Shehnai sound. Now the sound of Nadswaram. These instruments can give authentic sound if you play these instruments with pitch bend, modulation and expression. I have created a demo of this pack. I hope you would like it. But wait, I want to show you something more. Did you check SwarPlug's ML Pack 5? This pack comes with different types of flutes. I am in love with this pack. That's why I want you to listen this amazing sound of flute from the pack. It's truly amazing. You can buy both of the packs from the official site of Swar System. So that's all for today. I shall see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.